Yes. Look at here, my friends. Before you go to compressible flow, first you should understand what is the meaning of incompressible flow. एक बार आपको incompressible flow समझ में आ गया, then it will be very easy to discuss the compressible flow. So my friends, listen carefully. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे. I will be telling you the types of compressible flow also. Now please observe बेटा. Excellent. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, Darshan. Yes, beta. Very good. Very good. Please observe. Look at here. First, I will be telling you what is the meaning of incompressible flow. एक बार आपको incompressible flow का मतलब समझ में आ जाएगा. Once you are aware of incompressible flow, then I will be telling you what is the meaning of compressible flow. Let us suppose I'm having some fluid which is flowing through some pipe. मान लीजिए कोई fluid flow हो रहा है. Let us suppose some fluid is flowing through the pipe. Let us suppose some fluid is flowing through the pipe. Fine, some fluid is flowing through the pipe. Beta, in today's class I will be telling you what is the meaning of compressible flow. I will be talking about speed of sound also, and then if possible I will be telling you what are the different types of compressible flow. Beta, इस चैप्टर को मैं पूरा डिटेल में डिस्कस करने वाला हूं. I will be discussing in entire detail so that if question is coming from this chapter you should. और बहुत प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं, ताकि जो भी क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएगा फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर यू शुड नॉट फाउंड इट न्यू. आपको लगना चाहिए कि इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन मैंने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है. चलो, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. लेट अस सपोज व्हेन द फ्लूइड इज फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, व्हेन द फ्लूइड इज फ्लोइंग लेफ्ट टू राइट, if the percentage decrease, if the percentage decrease in volume, or you can say percentage increase in density. If it is less than 5%, बेटा पूरे डिटेल में डिस्कस करूंगा, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व. इफ इट इज लेस देन 5%, अगर ये परसेंटेज चेंज हो रहा है, if it is less than equal to 5%, then I will be telling that whatever the flow I am having, it is incompressible flow. Now listen carefully. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया सर? How will we come to know that the percentage decrease in volume is less than 5% or percentage increase in density? 1 minute बेटा. परसेंटेज इंक्रीज बोल रहा हूं. How will we come to know whether the percentage decrease in volume is less than 5%, or in other words percentage increase in density is less than 5%? तभी तो बोलेंगे we are having the incompressible flow. For that we define a number which is known as Mach number बेटा, which is known as Mach number. देखो ध्यान से, please observe carefully बेटा. What is Mach number? Please observe carefully. What is Mach number? We will be representing by MA. Please observe carefully. Everyone, please observe carefully. What a beautiful chapter, my friends. I will make this chapter very easy for you people. This is very important chapter. 100% you can expect question from here. Now, beta, what is Mach number? देखो, Mach number is basically Mach number. Let me represent by MA. It is basically velocity of fluid flow, velocity of fluid flow in bracket capital V divided by speed of sound in fluid. Let me represent by C, and of course we are talking about same condition. Now listen carefully beta. At same condition, Now listen carefully. If the Mach number, listen carefully beta, if the Mach number is coming less than equal to 0.3, if the Mach number is coming less than equal to 0.3, then I can say the percentage decrease in volume or the percentage increase in the density will be less than equal to 5%. 100%. In other words, I can say if the Mach number is coming less than equal to 0.3, then I can say the flow whatever I'm having, is incompressible flow, Now what happens in incompressible flow? Please listen carefully. What happens exactly in incompressible flow? I will be telling you. Let us suppose there is some disturbance. Given to this fluid particle. Let us suppose I have given some disturbance to this fluid particle. Now, whatever the disturbance given to this fluid particle, by the same amount, another fluid particle will be getting disturbed. By the same amount, third fluid particle will be getting disturbed. By the same amount, fourth fluid particle will be getting disturbed. That means here the change in volume or change in the density will not take place. We are saying negligible. That's exactly what happens in incompressible flow. Now listen carefully my friends. From here we came to know one thing. जो भी डिस्टर्बेंस दिया वो सब डिस्टर्बेंस क्या होगा? मॉलिक्यूल्स विल बी गेटिंग डिस्प्लेस्ड. जो भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट पहले का हुआ वो दूसरे को डिस्प्लेस करेगा, दूसरा तीसरे. Displacement of molecules will take place. Now please observe what happens in compressible flow. Please observe compressible flow में क्या होता है बेटा? What will be happening in compressible flow? In compressible flow, let us suppose I am giving some disturbance. To this molecule. Now what will happen? This molecule will disturb this molecule, and the volume and density of this molecule will be getting changed. Volume and density will be getting changed. I hope you are able to understand what I am saying. Whereas in case of incompressible flow, I will be having the displacement, whatever the disturbance is there, by the same amount this molecule will be getting disturbed. Means I will be having the displacement of molecules. Basically I will be having the displacement of molecules. Now you must be able to understand one thing. अब यहां से आपको एक चीज समझ में आ गया होगा. If Mach number is less than equal to 0.3, I am having incompressible flow. That means the condition for compressible flow is Mach number must be greater than 0.3. Of course, there are different type of compressible flow. I will be discussing, beta. I will be discussing each and everything. But I hope you are clear till here. Confirm me, beta. Confirm me. आपको यहां तक क्लियर है? गुड इवनिंग. आ जाओ रे बाबा. Surendra, you will get everything. I hope everyone is clear. What happens in incompressible flow? Your molecules will be rigid. They will be getting displaced. But in case of compressible flow, what will happen? Once the disturbance is given to one molecule, it will be changing the volume and the density of the adjacent molecule. Bolo re baba. Yes. Excellent. Now listen carefully my friends. बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा. Whatever I am saying, please listen carefully. Now Please listen carefully. Let us suppose I am having air. Let us suppose this air is flowing. Let us suppose this air is flowing at the velocity of 500 meter per second, and let me say the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and let me say at this 20 degrees Celsius the speed of sound in this air will be 343 meter per second. Anyone in the class, beta, what will be the Mach number? Anyone in the class, beta, what will be the Mach number? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं Mach number कितना होगा बेटा? Can you tell me what will be the Mach number? Beta, can you tell me what will be the Mach number? What will be the Mach number? हाँ, Mach number. Yes. अशरफ, Mach number बताओ बेटा यहाँ पे. Tell me beta, what will be the Mach number? In this case, 500 divided by how much beta? 500 divided by how much? 343. Can you tell me the value of Mach number? एक बार कैलकुलेट करके बताओ. What will be the value of Mach number from here? 1.49, 1.45, 1.45. No. Okay, 1.45. Now you 1.46. Chalo, 1.46. Now can you tell me, I'm having the flow as compressible flow or incompressible flow? अभी जो air का flow हो रहा है, the air which is moving at the velocity of 500 meter per second, it is having compressible flow or incompressible flow? बोलो रे बाबा, it is having compressible flow or incompressible flow? बोलो रे बाबा, right now I am having compressible flow or incompressible flow of this air. बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो. Tell me everyone, I am having compressible flow or incompressible flow? बोलिए. Tell me everyone. Since the Mach number is greater than 0.3, I am having compressible flow. I hope everyone is clear till here. Now let us suppose, अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. Now listen carefully. Let us suppose same air is flowing with the velocity of 50 meter per second at 20 degrees Celsius, at temperature is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Of course, the speed of sound is 343 meter per second. Now what will be the Mach number beta in this case? If I want to find Mach number in this case, how much will be the Mach number? 50 divided by how much beta? Anyone in the class? 50 divided by how much? 343. So what is the value of Mach number we are getting? Anyone in the class, what will be the value of Mach number we are getting? 0.146. Now you tell me beta, this flow of air is a compressible flow or incompressible flow? Now you tell me, now the flow of air is compressible flow or incompressible flow? Everyone tell me beta. Now the air is having incompressible flow. So try to understand what I'm saying. My friends. बिल्कुल समझने की कोशिश कीजिए मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं. Now you tell me, air is a compressible fluid or incompressible fluid? Air जो fluid है, compressible fluid है या incompressible fluid है? Air is compressible fluid. Oh my God, what is your observation from here? बोलो रे बाबा, what is your observation from here? Compressible fluid. Oh my God, air is compressible fluid. So air is compressible fluid. It can have compressible flow or it can have incompressible flow. It will be depending on the Mach number. So remember carefully, my friends. Whenever I am having some compressible fluid, in simple words, whenever I am having some gas, you will not say without seeing the Mach number whether the flow is compressible flow or incompressible flow. Immediately, whenever someone is talking about gas, immediately you will be finding what? You will be finding the Mach number. If the Mach number is coming less than 0.3, less than equal to 0.3, you will be saying incompressible flow. And if the Mach number is coming more than 0.3, you will be saying compressible flow. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Now, as far as liquid is concerned, please try to understand. In case of liquid, this phenomena will take place. There will be no change in volume of the liquid molecules. There will be no change in the density of the liquid molecules. So remember, for liquid molecules, always you will be having this incompressible flow. लिक्विड के केस में बेटा आपका मैक नंबर हमेशा इस तरीके से आएगा that you will be having incompressible flow. That means incompressible fluid will always have incompressible flow, but compressible fluid can have compressible flow or incompressible flow depending on the Mach number. Why it happens in case of compressible flow? Because when we are giving some disturbance to some molecule, that molecule is changing the volume and the density of adjacent molecule, and this pressure wave is getting propagated with the speed of sound, and because of that we are having this compressible flow. I hope everyone is clear. I hope. Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Are you clear till here? Then I will be going to the next part. If you are clear till here, then I will be going to the next part. We will be seeing the beautiful, my friends. I am telling you, whatever the next heading I am going to discuss, speed of sound, there are chances that the question will come from here. There are 100%, I am telling you, there are the chances that question will be coming from here. So are you ready? शिवम सब बताऊंगा बेटा, अभी तो स्टार्ट किया है ना बेटा, वेट कर लो. एवरीथिंग आई विल टेल. अभी तो मैं कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो क्या होता है, इनकंप्रेसिबल फ्लो क्या होता है वो बता रहा हूं. इन दिस चैप्टर I will discuss each and everything. Almost 10 to 12 classes I will take, and I will be discussing in entire detail. Rayleigh flow, Fano flow, everything I am going to discuss. You need not to worry बेटा. जो भी मैं पढ़ाऊंगा पूरा डिटेल में पढ़ाऊंगा, because I know my students are expecting from me entire detail. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बस आपको थोड़ा सा बता के छोड़ दूंगा. मेरा मकसद है, my aim is when the question is coming in GATE exam, you must be able to solve. You must be able to solve. चलिए, तो मैं एक लाइन लिख देता हूं, ध्यान से देखना, ये आप थोड़ा सा देख लेना बेटा. Suppose I am having some incompressible fluid. If I am having some incompressible fluid, then the flow of this incompressible fluid is always incompressible flow. कहां यूज होता है, कैसे यूज होता है, सब बताने वाला हूं बेटा. कहां पे आपको कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो मिलने वाला है. आपको एक बात तो समझ में आ गई कि जहां पे मैक नंबर बहुत ज्यादा होगा. नाउ लेट अस सपोज आई एम हैविंग कंप्रेसिबल फ्लूइड. Here you can have both. Here you can have both cases. Compressible flow, I will be telling you the types of compressible flow also, don't worry beta. Or incompressible flow, or incompressible flow. Now, अजय अभी ये टाइम नहीं है बेटा, अभी मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं, पहले मुझे पढ़ाने दो, आप मुझे बाद में पूछ लेना। चलो, स्पीड ऑफ साउंड। बेटा व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ साउंड? एनीवन इन द क्लास? स्पीड ऑफ साउंड का रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या है, पहले ये बताओ। हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट स्पीड ऑफ साउंड? विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग स्पीड ऑफ साउंड बाय सी। विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग स्पीड ऑफ साउंड बाय सी। थैंक यू सो मच बेटा, थैंक यू सो मच प्रभव। Anyone in the class, anyone in the class can tell me what is the formula of speed of sound? If you want to calculate speed of sound, how are you going to calculate? How are you going to calculate? Bolo re baba, how are you going to calculate? Now this is very important topic. This is very important topic in this chapter, and you can expect some question from here, and you can expect some question from here. देखो बेटा ध्यान से देखना, अब ध्यान से देखना। Let us suppose I'm having a pipe. Let us suppose I'm having a pipe, and let us suppose for the time being, let me say this pipe is having some stationary fluid. Let us suppose, ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, let us suppose I am having a piston here. Let us suppose I am having a piston here. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, please observe. Let us suppose I am having some piston here. Let me say with the help of this piston, ध्यान से देखना बेटा, let me say with the help of this piston, please observe carefully my friends, please observe carefully, very important topic, very important topic. I am giving some disturbance to this fluid. 100% the moment I have given disturbance, the pressure wave will start moving. The pressure wave will start moving from right to left. यहां तक आपको क्लियर है बेटा? यहां तक आपको क्लियर है? आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? ये मुझे कंफर्म कीजिए, ये मुझे कंफर्म कीजिए। नाउ लुक एट हेयर, लेट मी से एट सम इंस्टेंट, let me say at some instant, this pressure wave is up to here. So what I'm doing is I'm taking one control volume here. What I'm doing is I'm taking some control volume here. Please observe, I'm taking one control volume here. Pressure wave will start moving from right to left. 100%. Array, you have given some disturbance. You have given some disturbance to this, let me say this fluid. Of course it will start propagating the pressure wave to other fluids. So pressure wave will start moving. Now listen carefully, बिल्कुल यहाँ पे सुनेंगे बेटा. Let me say for the analysis purpose I have taken some control volume here, and let me say the pressure wave right now is here. Of course देखो ध्यान से, let me say this fluid was having pressure P, density rho, let me say some temperature is T here, and since I'm talking about a stationary fluid as of now, so velocity here will be 0. Now look at here, since the pressure wave is not reached here, so here the properties will remain same, but since pressure wave has passed through this region, here the properties will change. Let me say the pressure became P plus dP, density became rho plus d rho, let me say temperature became T plus dt, and of course here I am having some velocity, so let me say the velocity is now dv. इतना मुझे कंफर्म कीजिए बेटा, इतना मुझे कंफर्म कीजिए। आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? थैंक यू सो मच पवन, थैंक यू एवरीवन। बेटा आप मुझे बताइए यहां तक आप लोग क्लियर हैं? आर यू क्लियर? आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? अरे लुक एट हेयर, हेयर द प्रेशर वेव हैज अफेक्टेड द प्रॉपर्टीज, इस वाले रीजन में प्रेशर वेव हैज अफेक्टेड द प्रॉपर्टीज, सो आई एम हैविंग P plus dP, rho plus d rho, T plus dt, and I am having some velocity dv. Velocity is equal to dv. Now here I am having stationary fluid. For the convenience I have assumed some stationary fluid. For the easy understanding I have assumed the stationary fluid. Let us suppose right now I am having some stationary fluid. Let us suppose right now I am having some stationary fluid. So here there is no impact. So pressure is P only, density is rho only, temperature is T only, and velocity will be 0. बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? यहां तक बोलिए, यहां तक बोलिए, आपको क्लियर है क्या? बोलिए बेटा। नाउ, नाउ, नाउ देखो ध्यान से, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली बेटा, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली। नाउ माय प्रीतम प्यारे, माय प्रीतम प्यारे, आई आस्क्ड द प्रीतम प्यारे, प्रीतम प्यारे आपको कैसा लग रहा है देखकर? प्रीतम प्यारे इज सेइंग, सर दिस इज द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम, this is the control volume. Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, this is the control volume. I am able to understand this control volume is carrying this pressure head. So this control volume is moving with the velocity c. And Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, here the pressure is p, density is rho, temperature is t, velocity is 0. And Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, here the pressure is p plus dp, density is rho plus d rho, temperature is t plus dt, and the velocity is v is equal to dv. बोलो बेटा, यहां तक आपको क्लियर है? अरे प्रीतम प्यारे is sitting at his home, प्रीतम प्यारे is sitting at his home and he is saying this. Where is प्रीतम प्यारे? Where is my प्रीतम प्यारे? My प्रीतम प्यारे is sitting here, my प्रीतम प्यारे is sitting here and he is saying this. Then प्रीतम प्यारे is saying, sir, earlier I was having all the fluid as stationary fluid. पहले तो सारा का सारा फ्लूइड स्टेशनरी फ्लूइड था, लेकिन अब ये जो कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम के पीछे वाला फ्लूइड है, सर नाउ दिस फ्लूइड इज मूविंग. अरे प्रीतम प्यारे इज सेइंग, सर अर्लियर बिफोर गिविंग द डिस्टर्बेंस, सर बिफोर गिविंग द डिस्टर्बेंस here also I was having the static fluid, I was having the stationary condition, but now here I am having some velocity. So Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, we are having some unsteady flow. Yes, Pritam Pyare is correct, because the fluid which was stationary earlier, now it is moving. So Pritam Pyare is correct. There is some unsteady flow. Pritam Pyare is absolutely correct. मैंने प्रीतम प्यारे को बोला, यार something we can do. देखो ध्यान से. Pritam Pyare is seeing the moving. Pritam Pyare is seeing the moving pressure wave. Pritam Pyare is seeing the moving pressure wave. Pritam Pyare क्या देख रहा है बेटा? Pritam Pyare is seeing this moving pressure wave. He is sitting here. Now Pritam Pyare is saying, sir, I am able to see there is an unsteady flow. Earlier on the back side of the control volume, there was a stationary fluid, there was no velocity. Now there is some velocity. Pritam Pyare is absolutely correct. Pritam Pyare is absolutely correct. Look at here. If you see, don't you see this dv is in this direction now? Don't you see this dv is in this direction now? Pritam Pyare is absolutely correct. अब मैंने प्रीतम प्यारे को बोला, यार कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. प्रीतम प्यारे की बात तो सही है. मैंने प्रीतम प्यारे को बोला, प्रीतम प्यारे, डोंट सिट एट होम, कम प्रीतम प्यारे, come out from your home, I will be giving you the feel of steady flow. Pritam Pyare, come out from your home, I will be giving you the feel of steady flow. And I told Pritam Pyare, come and sit on this control volume. Pritam Pyare, come outside and sit on this control volume. Oh my God. Now the Pritam Pyare is sitting on this control volume. Are you getting? Now for Pritam Pyare, this pressure wave is fixed. Now Pritam Pyare will not observe this pressure wave moving. He will observe this pressure wave is fixed for him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So are you able to understand what will be the things? Please observe carefully, my friends. Beautiful concept. Beautiful concept. Look at here. Now Pritam Pyare will see fixed pressure wave because he is sitting on the pressure. अरे यार, आप लोग हाथी के ऊपर बैठ जाओ, फिर हाथी तो आपके लिए फिक्स हो गया ना. हाथी तो आपके लिए फिक्स हो गया. Now the elephant is not moving for you. Earlier Pritam Pyare was seeing from the ground, oh, elephant is moving, elephant is moving, elephant is moving. Now the Pritam Pyare is sitting on the elephant, so elephant is not moving now. Now how to change this velocity c? If I want to convert this velocity c into zero, now for Pritam Pyare, what I will do, बेटा ध्यान से देखना कैसे इसको जीरो में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. I will be telling you. You do one thing. You superimpose you superimpose minus, means in this direction you superimpose velocity c, you superimpose velocity c in this direction, you superimpose velocity c in this direction. Now of course, in order to convert the frame of reference, now here the velocity is 0, here the velocity is 0, fine, because these are in opposite direction, so velocity will be 0. Now what will happen here? Now what will happen here? Pressure will be P only, density will be rho only, temperature will be T only. Now the velocity will be C, velocity will be C, because I have superimposed this velocity na, velocity will be C in this direction, velocity will be C in this direction. And if I see here the properties, P plus dP, rho plus d rho, T plus dt beta, and what will be the velocity? Can I say C minus dV? C minus dV, C minus dV, in which direction? In this direction. Confirm karo beta, confirm karo. Now why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? You must be asking me, sir ऐसा आप क्यों कर रहे हो? Because now the Pritam Pyare will be seeing the steady flow. Now the Pritam Pyare will be seeing the steady flow, that in this control volume the inlet velocity is V, at the outlet velocity is C minus dV. Are you getting what I'm saying? Are you getting what I'm saying? Confirm karo beta. Are you clear with the diagram now? Look at here. When the Pritam Pyare was sitting at the stationary frame of reference, he was seeing some unsteady flow, because yes, of course he was correct. Earlier the fluid was not moving, now the fluid is moving, so he is absolutely correct. So what I have done is I called Pritam Pyare. Pritam Pyare, come here, come here, come here, come here, sit on the control volume, sit on the control volume. Now for Pritam Pyare, this control volume, this pressure wave is fixed. अब Pritam Pyare को pressure wave तो move होते हुए दिखाई नहीं दे रही. Now what will happen? But how to make this कि Pritam Pyare को ये move होते हुए ना दिखाई दे? तो मैंने क्या किया? The earlier the pressure wave was moving with the velocity c right to left, so I superimpose another velocity c in the opposite direction. So I will superimpose everywhere. मैंने superimpose करी यहाँ पर, मैंने superimpose करी यहाँ पर. So what will happen here? The velocity will become 0. Here it was stationary earlier. Now it is c, it is moving with the velocity c left to right, and here c is more than dv. याद रखना बेटा, dv, this dv is very less, this dv is very less. Please observe carefully, this dv is very less as compared to c. Okay, yes. Now listen carefully, my friends. There is something called continuity equation. Anyone in the class can tell me what is continuity equation? Beta bolo jara. According to continuity equation, anyone in the class can tell me beta what is continuity equation? According to continuity equation, what can I say according to continuity equation? What is the basic idea of continuity equation? The basic idea of continuity equation is mass flow rate coming in is equal to mass flow rate going out plus m dot cv. अरे I am having a steady flow. Pritam Pyare ने बोला now we are having a steady flow. If we are having a steady flow, this part is 0. This part is 0. So m dot I is equal to m dot O. Let me say this area is A beta. Let me say this area is A. ये जो area है, let me say this area is A. अगर ये area A है, anyone in the class beta, what will be the mass flow rate coming in? If the density is rho, area is A and the velocity is C, what will be the mass flow rate coming in? If the density is rho, area is A and the velocity is C. Bolo re baba. Excellent. Rho A into C. What will be the mass flow rate going out? Acha, at the outlet, what is the density? Rho plus d rho. Area is A only. Arre, whether it is inlet or outlet of this control volume, area is A only. What is the velocity? C minus dv. C minus dV. So can I write rho plus d rho density A V C minus dV. Excellent beta. C minus dV. Please observe carefully beta. Is there anything which is getting cancelled? Is there anything which is getting cancelled? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba. Is there anything which is getting cancelled? Bolo. Or swaha. AA is getting cancelled. AA is getting cancelled. Then what are you getting? Rho into C is equal to what? Rho plus d rho into C minus dV. C minus dV. So what I'm getting is rho C is equal to rho C plus, हाँ रो की मल्टीप्लाई कर दो बेटा, रो सी माइनस रो इंटू डीवी प्लस सी इंटू डी रो माइनस डी रो डीवी. बेटा दिस टर्म इज नेग्लिजिबल, ये वैसे ऑलरेडी बहुत स्मॉल हैं, दीज आर वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स, सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू स्मॉल थिंग्स, वेरी स्मॉल थिंग्स, आई कैन neglected. So I think this is also getting cancelled. Oh my god, rho c is also getting cancelled. If rho c is also getting cancelled, what I'm getting beta? I'm getting rho dv. I'm getting rho dv is equal to c d rho. So what is the dv from here beta? मुझे एक चीज बता देना, can you tell me beta what is the dv from here? What is the dv from here? Anyone in the class beta? Anyone in the class? What is the dv from here? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. What is the dv from here? C d rho, C d rho by rho. बोलिए ये आपको क्लियर हो गया बेटा? कंफर्म कीजिए मुझे. आर यू क्लियर विद दिस? लेट मी से दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर ए. आर यू क्लियर विद दिस? कंफर्म कीजिए मुझे, कंफर्म कीजिए मुझे बेटा. इफ यू आर क्लियर विद दिस आई विल बी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर ए. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? अरे मजा 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 मजा. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? यस यस प्रीतम, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? यहां तक बताइए बेटा, आपको क्लियर है क्या? आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? बोलिए बोलिए. सुपर सुपर. आई वांट एवरीवन टू टाइप यस. I want everyone to type in chat box. Yes sir, yes sir, it's clear, it's clear. Yes sir, it's clear. बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. चलो, now listen carefully. Now listen carefully. देखो ध्यान से. According to, देखो ये सब फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स में बताया हुआ है. According to linear momentum equation. According to linear in x direction. Beta, what was the linear momentum equation? What was the linear momentum equation? Anyone in the class? मैंने आपको बताया हुआ है बेटा. Net force in x direction is equal to momentum, final momentum rate in x direction minus initial momentum rate. इनिशियल मोमेंटम रेट इन एक्स डायरेक्शन. ये कंफर्म करो बेटा, ये कंफर्म कीजिए. हाँ. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेट फोर्स इन एक्स डायरेक्शन? देखो बेटा, देखो बेटा प्यार से देखो. व्हाट इज द प्रेशर हेयर? P. व्हाट इज द एरिया हेयर? A. सो कैन आई से प्रेशर P इंटू DA विल बी एक्टिंग लाइक दिस. बेटा ध्यान से देखना. कैन आई से, देखो यहां पर देखो, प्लीज ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली. प्लीज, आई वॉन्ट एवरीवन टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. ध्यान से देखना बेटा. सपोज दिस इज द कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम. नाउ लुक एट हियर. कैन आई से pressure P into A will be acting in this direction? what will be the direction of P plus dP into A? Can I say P plus dP into A will be acting in this direction? Correct? Now look at here, look at here. So what I am getting, PA, since it is in positive x direction, I am taking positive, PA minus P plus dP into A. Can I say this is the net force in x direction? Confirm me beta. Can I say this is the net force in x direction? Is equal to फाइनल मोमेंटम रेट इन एक्स डायरेक्शन, यानी कि फाइनल मास फ्लो रेट. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. कैन यू ऑब्जर्व इफ आई एम हैविंग स्टडी फ्लो? अरे प्रीतम प्यारे को बैठाया क्यों है? ताकि स्टडी फ्लो दिखे प्रीतम प्यारे को. कैन आई से एट स्टडी फ्लो वट एवर द मास फ्लो रेट इज कमिंग इन, सेम विल बी द मास फ्लो रेट गोइंग आउट. यही तो किया यहां पर. मास फ्लो रेट कमिंग इन इज इक्वल टू मास फ्लो रेट गोइंग आउट. So what is the mass flow rate coming in? Rho AC. Can I say mass flow rate going out is also rho AC? Yes, of course I can write. तो देखो mass flow rate going out, बाद में इसको rho AC लिख दूंगा. Velocity, final velocity in x direction. Anyone in the class, what is the final velocity in x direction beta? Can you tell me what is the final velocity in x direction? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. What is the final velocity in x direction? What is the final velocity in x direction? बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए. Yes. What is the final velocity in x direction? Can I say c minus dv? Please confirm me. Can I say c minus dv? बोलो रे बाबा. Yes, excellent. Mass flow rate c minus dv, final mass flow rate into final velocity in x direction is c minus dv minus initial mass flow rate. What is the initial velocity in x direction? Anyone in the class beta? What is the initial velocity in x direction? c. C. After superimposing I am getting C. C. अब देखो बेटा, ध्यान से देखना. Since I am having steady flow, this final mass flow rate and this initial mass flow rate, both of them will be equal. Final mass flow rate or initial mass flow rate, both must be equal rho AC. Rho AC. तो देखो ध्यान से, I am writing in next page. Please observe carefully बेटा. Can I say PA minus P plus dP minus P plus dP into A. I will cancel beta, I will cancel. Just wait. I'm waiting for a few things. Rho AC C minus dV minus rho AC into C. बेटा ये कंफर्म करो. Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here? बोलिए बोलिए. Are you clear till here? बोलो रे बाबा, बोलो रे बाबा. Are you clear till here? Everyone type in chat box. Type in chat. Oh ho ho! Something is getting swaha. PA is getting swaha. Rho AC into C. Rho AC into C is getting swaha. So what are we getting, beta? What are we getting? Minus dP into A is equal to what? Minus rho AC into dV. Now listen carefully, listen carefully. What is happening here? What is happening here? This A is also getting cancelled. So what I'm getting? अरे minus minus is also getting. अरे ये तो सब कुछ cancel हो रहा है रे बाबा. ये तो बहुत कुछ cancel हो रहा है रे बाबा. Everything, almost all the things are getting cancelled. So what I'm getting? What I'm getting? dP is equal to what? Rho into C into dV. So can I find the value of dV? dV is what? dV is what? dP. dP by rho C. Oh my God. Let me say this is equation number B. Oh my God. Let me say this is equation number B. Now look at here. Equation A I was having dV is equal to C d rho by rho. Equation B I am having dP by rho C. Let us do one thing. Let us try to compare. Can I write? बेटा ध्यान से देखना. Can I write? Oh ho ho! What a beauty! What a beauty! What a beauty! Look at here! Oh ho 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 ho! From equation, beautiful my friends. Please observe. Please observe. Beautiful thing just about to come from equation A. From equation A and equation B. Let us see what are we getting बेटा. Equation A and equation B से मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? एक बार देखेंगे ध्यान से सब लोग. एक बार देखेंगे ध्यान से सब लोग. What are we getting? C d rho by rho. C d rho by rho is equal to dp by rho c. Now listen carefully, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे बेटा. Oh my god, oh my god, rho is getting cancelled. Rho is getting cancelled. Are you? Oh मजा. C square is equal to what बेटा? C square is equal to what? dp by, oh what a beauty, C square is equal to what? dp by d rho. So C is equal to what? बेटा C की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? यहां से सारे न्यूमेरिकल करवाऊंगा बेटा कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो के, एक भी टाइप का न्यूमेरिकल नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I am telling you, if the question is coming from here, the students which are completing this compressible flow, they will be in benefit 100% बेटा. आपको यहां से क्वेश्चन की बहुत चांसेस है. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक होता है कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो. कहां पे यूज होता है? एयरक्राफ्ट के अराउंड जो एयरक्राफ्ट के थ्रू जो मतलब सरफेस के थ्रू जो फ्लो होता है वो आपका आता है मिसाइल. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग? dp by d rho. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. एक चीज और बताना चाहता हूं आपको, एक और चीज बताना चाहता हूं, प्लीज ध्यान से सुनना. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है बेटा, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. देखो बेटा, दिस वाज योर कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम. बेटा दिस वाज योर कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम. नाउ दिस कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम इज सो थिन. ये जो कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम मैंने लिया था फॉर द एनालिसिस, जहां पे मैंने प्रीतम प्यारे को बैठाया था. अरे प्रीतम प्यारे इज फैट बट कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम इज नॉट फैट. प्रीतम प्यारे इज फैट बट कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम इज नॉट फैट. दिस कंट्रोल वॉल्यूम इज वेरी थिन. it is very thin so that you can assume there is no heat interaction within this control volume. ये control volume के across there is no heat interaction. What is the meaning of that? We can assume the flow is adiabatic flow. The flow is adiabatic flow. There is no heat interaction across the control volume. It is so thin. Another thing which I assumed, there is no frictional losses. That means I'm assuming I'm having internally reversible flow. बेटा आपको थोड़ा सा थर्मोडायनामिक्स का आइडिया है? Do you know little bit of thermodynamics बेटा? Do you know little bit of anyone in the class? What is the meaning of internally reversible adiabatic flow? Beta, I am neglecting frictional losses. I am saying frictional losses in this thin control volume are negligible. Anyone in the class, what is the meaning of internally reversible adiabatic flow? किसी को ये समझ में आ रहा है? Are you able to understand beta? What is the meaning of internally reversible adiabatic flow? Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? ये क्या होता है रे बाबा? हाँ, this is known as what? Isentropic flow. Yes. तो देखो बेटा, ये सबसे बिगेस्ट अजम्पशन है, isentropic flow. So what is the meaning of this? Whatever the formula I'm getting, it will be giving me the speed of sound when I am having isentropic flow. Dou P by dou rho for the isentropic flow. I hope everyone is clear. This is the basic formula beta. This is the basic formula of speed of sound. Now look at here beta, in fluid mechanics 100% I have told you one concept of isentropic compressibility. I hope you are able to recollect one beautiful concept of isentropic compressibility. Anyone in the class can tell me. चलिए बताइए बेटा, पवन ये बताओ, आइसेंट्रोपिक कंप्रेसिबिलिटी का नाम सुना है किसी ने? आइसेंट्रोपिक कंप्रेसिबिलिटी का नाम सुना है आप लोगों ने? बेटा व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ, और चलो आइसेंट्रोपिक बल्क मॉडुलस में लिख देता हूं, आइसेंट्रोपिक बल्क मॉडुलस के फॉर्म में लिख देता हूं बेटा, KS. बेटा I have discussed in fluid mechanics, we have discussed what is in first chapter I have discussed isentropic bulk modulus. Do you remember isentropic bulk modulus formula? किसी को याद है बेटा? Ks is equal to what? Anyone is able to recollect? Rho dou P by dou rho at constant entropy. Beta, please observe, one beautiful situation will come. Dou P by dou rho at constant entropy can be written as what? Isentropic bulk modulus. This I have discussed in chapter number 1. Divided by what? Rho. Oh my god! Just now I have derived. Speed of sound is what? Just now I have derived. Oh my god, what a beautiful situation, beta. Just now I have derived. Speed of sound is what? Speed of sound is what, beta? Just now I have derived. Speed of sound is what? C is equal to what, beta? अभी तो हमने derive किया था. C is equal to what? Root over what? Root over what, beta? Dou P by dou rho at constant entropy. And if I substitute the value of dou P by dou rho at constant entropy, what are we going to get? Anyone in the class, beta? What are we going to get, beta? Anyone in the class? What will be the new formula? Bolo re baba. What will be the new formula? Oh my god. C is equal to Ks by rho. ये भी एक क्वेश्चन बनता है बेटा, They can ask MSQ question on the basis of this. MSQ question पूछ सकते हैं बेटा. Multiple select question can be asked. Which of the following are representing the formulas of speed of sound? ये भी formula है बेटा. This is also the formula. Dou P by dou rho at constant entropy. This is also the formula where Ks is representing what? Isentropic bulk modulus. पवन सब हो जाएगा बेटा, सब हो जाएगा. पवन सब हो जाएगा. आप बताओ यहां तक क्लियर है क्या आप लोगों को? आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? कंफर्म मी बेटा, कंफर्म मी. आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? अभी मैं आपको एक और फार्मूला बताऊंगा. आई विल बी टेलिंग यू वन मोर फार्मूला. फर्स्ट यू कंफर्म मी बेटा, फर्स्ट यू कंफर्म मी. आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर? बोलो रे बाबा. मजा. पवन मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है? पवन आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है बेटा? सब कुछ हो जाएगा बेटा. बार बार एक ही चीज मत लिखो, आप क्लास पे कंसंट्रेट करो. चलिए यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा आप लोगों को? बोलो रे बाबा. आर यू क्लियर टिल हियर? आई वांट माय स्टूडेंट्स टू टाइप यस. नेगी सोल्जर्स विल बी टाइपिंग यस. I'm telling you very important question. Now listen carefully. One beautiful analysis I'm going to do for you. एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन एनालिसिस कर रहा हूं बेटा. ध्यान से देखना, मजा आ जाएगा बेटा. आपको पूरा मजा आने वाला है. ध्यान से देखना बेटा, बहुत ही बेहतरीन मजा आने वाला है. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व बेटा, देखना ध्यान से. एनालिसिस फॉर परफेक्ट गैस. ओ माय गॉड बेटा, ये परफेक्ट गैस क्या होती है? इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ मच ऑफ थर्मोडायनामिक्स, नो प्रॉब्लम बेटा, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू. फिलहाल आप मान लीजिए perfect gas is the gas, actually it is the subcategory. Perfect gas is basically the subcategory of ideal gas. It is basically one type of ideal gas whose Cp and Cv are constant, whose specific heat Cp and Cv are constant. They are not changing with the temperature. they are not changing with temperature. Now of course, if perfect gas is a variety of ideal gas, then 100% anytime if you want you can use this formula, PV is equal to M capital RT. इसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. Okay, now look at here my friends, look at here बेटा, there is one more equation, एक और इक्वेशन है जो आपको ध्यान रखनी है बेटा. इक्वेशन इज दिस, PV पावर गामा इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. बेटा व्हाट इज गामा हेयर, व्हाट इज गामा हेयर बेटा, व्हाट इज गामा हेयर बेटा, वेयर गामा इज एडियाबैटिक इंडेक्स. गामा इज व्हाट बेटा, बेटा डोंट वरी, जो भी आपको थर्मो रिक्वायर्ड है आई विल बी टेलिंग यू, यू नीड नॉट टू वरी, नो वन नीड टू, किसी को भी नो नीड टू वरी बेटा, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू द बेसिक फार्मूलाज आल्सो वेयर गामा इज एडियाबैटिक इंडेक्स. गामा का फार्मूला क्या होता है बेटा, गामा विल बी इक्वल टू Cp by Cv, gamma will be Cp by Cv. Now listen carefully beta, listen carefully. What are the conditions, what are the conditions for applying this equation PV power gamma is equal to constant? Beta, when I will teach thermodynamics I will be telling you, if you want to apply this equation there are two conditions, there are two conditions. Your gas must be perfect gas, your gas must be perfect gas, and it must undergo isentropic. Isentropic process. If it is the closed system you can say isentropic process, or if it is open system you can say isentropic flow. अब ध्यान से देखना बेटा, 100% I am doing the analysis of perfect gas and I know when I'm having this formula Ks, or when I'm having this dou rho by dou P by dou rho, it is I'm talking about isentropic flow only. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा, now listen carefully, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना. PV power gamma is equal to constant. Now if I want I can write in this way, volume is what, mass upon density, mass upon density power gamma is equal to constant. So I can write P M power gamma divided by rho power gamma is equal to constant. So I can say P is equal to C divided by M power gamma into rho power gamma, correct. अब देखो बेटा, ये पूरा एक नया कांस्टेंट बन गया, this is a new constant. Let me say this is C1. So what I am getting is P is equal to C1 rho power gamma. ये कंफर्म करो बेटा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर, ये कंफर्म कीजिए, ये कंफर्म कीजिए बेटा, आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर, ये कंफर्म कीजिए. यस, आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर माय फ्रेंड्स, बोलिए आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर, आर यू क्लियर टिल हेयर बेटा, प्लीज कंफर्म मी. अगर आप लोग क्लियर हैं तो ध्यान से देखना. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, यस 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 सर, यस सर, वी आर क्लियर, वेरी गुड बेटा. अब देखो, लेट मी डू द differentiation of this pressure with respect to density. Of course I have taken isentropic flow condition, so I can say this I am finding for isentropic case. So if I am doing the partial differentiation I will be getting what, C1 तो आ गया इधर, what will be the differences of gamma rho power gamma, I think I will be getting gamma rho power gamma minus 1, शायद ये आएगा बेटा. So what I am getting is dou P by dou rho at constant entropy is equal to gamma C1 rho power gamma minus 1. अच्छा एक काम करो, let us do one thing, let me say this is some equation A, this is some equation A. Now look at here beta, let me do one thing, let me multiply by rho, देखना ध्यान से बेटा, let me multiply by rho, let me divided by rho. So what will happen, For perfect gas, what I'm getting? Dou P by dou rho, dou P by dou rho at constant entropy is equal to what beta? Gamma C1 rho power gamma divided by rho. Oh my god, if you see from equation number A, from equation A, if you see from equation A, what are you getting? C1 rho power gamma beta. अगर आप देखेंगे this C1 rho power gamma is what? It is a P only na, it is P only na. So what I'm getting is dou P by dou rho at constant entropy. Oh my god, what a beautiful equation I'm getting beta. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. गामा P by rho. अरे look at here, P by rho. Now what is the meaning of P by rho? What is the meaning of P by rho? अरे देखो रे बाबा, PV is equal to MRT ना. So can I say यहां से P is equal to mass upon volume RT. So can I say P is equal to rho RT for perfect gas? So in place of P, if I am writing rho RT, what I am going to get? Dou P by, oh my god, dou P by dou rho at constant entropy is how much beta? Gamma rho T divided by rho. Oh my god, is there any cancellation? Rho is getting cancelled. So what are we getting beta? Dou P by dou rho at constant entropy is equal to how much? Gamma RT is equal to how much? Gamma RT. Oh my god, what was the speed of sound? What was the formula of speed of sound beta? The formula of speed of sound was C is equal to, what a beautiful relation, C is equal to what? Please observe carefully. C is equal to what? Root over what? Dou P by dou rho at constant entropy. Oh my god, are you able to understand what I'm saying? For perfect gas which is undergoing isentropic flow, this is coming equal to what? Gamma. Are maja. So are you able to understand? C is equal to what? Gamma root over speed of sound. This formula is valid only and only for what? It is valid only and only for the perfect gas. ये formula आप केवल और केवल किसके लगाने वाले हैं? You will be applying only for the perfect gas. Oh my god, my friends, this question has been asked very long back in GATE एग्जाम. बहुत पहले गेट एग्जाम में पूछा गया था. बेटा इसके लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? अगर ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा तो कैसे फ्रेम करेंगे इस पे क्वेश्चन? कैसे फ्रेम कर सकते हैं इस पे क्वेश्चन? देखो मैं आपको पूछता हूं, याद रखना. यस, ब्यूटी. For this formula, the condition is you must have the perfect gas. आपके पास perfect gas होनी ही चाहिए. Now listen carefully बेटा. मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूं. Let us suppose I am having air at 20 degrees Celsius. They can ask me what will be the speed of sound in air at 20 degrees. बस इतना ही देंगे. They will be giving you the name of the gas and they will be giving you the temperature. How to find the speed of sound in air at 20 degrees Celsius? देखो बेटा, air, they have given me the air ना. यार air को क्या मानते हैं हम लोग? We are assuming air is behaving as a diatomic gas. Anyone in the class बेटा? Diatomic gas के लिए गामा कितना होता है? What is the value of gamma for diatomic gas beta? 1.4, वेरी गुड, 7/5 ना, 1.4। आर कितना होता है बेटा एयर का, ये तो सब, अरे अंधा भी बता देगा रे बाबा, इवन द ब्लाइंड पर्सन कैन से व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ आर फॉर एयर। कितना होता है बेटा आर एयर का, 287 जूल पर केजी पर केल्विन, यही होता है ना। चलो सॉल्व करके बताना तो बेटा, व्हाट विल बी द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड, व्हाट विल बी द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड बेटा, सॉल्व करके बताना, व्हाट विल बी द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड बेटा, सॉल्व करके बताना, व्हाट विल बी द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड बेटा, गामा 1.4, 287 टी कन्वर्ट इनटू केल्विन 293 केल्विन। एक्सेलेंट बेटा, मुझे सी वैल्यू बताओ, मुझे सी वैल्यू बताओ बेटा, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ सी, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ सी, बोलो बेटा, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ साउंड, स्पीड ऑफ साउंड एट 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बोलिए बेटा। स्पीड ऑफ साउंड at 20 degree Celsius, calculate and tell me beta, calculate and tell me what is the speed of sound. How much you are getting? Yes, 343 approximately meter per second. Now you understood, now you understood why I have taken 343 earlier. अभी आपको समझ में आ गया। चलो मुझे एक चीज और बताओ, at 15 degree Celsius how much will be the velocity, how much will be the speed of sound if I am having air at 15 degree Celsius, what will be the speed of sound बेटा, 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस what will be the speed of sound, फटाफट से कैलकुलेट करो, फटाफट से कैलकुलेट करेंगे बेटा, धपाक से आंसर बताएंगे, धपाक से आंसर बताएंगे। 1.4 into 287, क्विकली 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 बताओ रे बाबा, धपाक से आंसर बताएंगे। C is coming how much, C is coming how much, if I am taking at 15 degree Celsius what is the value of C, are you getting? अब आपको समझ में आया? Now are you able to understand? बेटा are you able to understand? Listen carefully, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनेंगे। Now listen carefully. That means the speed of sound in a gas will be, in a fluid will be depending on the temperature. याद है आप लोग लड़ाई करते हो, सर 340 याद है सर, मेरे फिजिक्स के टीचर ने 340 मीटर पर सेकंड बताया था सर, व्हाई आर यू राइटिंग एट 343 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 343 मीटर पर सेकंड, अरे बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम सेइंग 343 मीटर पर सेकंड आई एम टेकिंग द टेंपरेचर 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एंड व्हेन आई एम सेइंग 340 मीटर पर सेकंड आई एम टेकिंग द टेंपरेचर 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस। सो बेटा इट विल डिपेंड ऑन द टेंपरेचर, इफ आई एम सेइंग माय एयर इज एट 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस देन 100% स्पीड ऑफ साउंड विल बी 343। लड़ाई नहीं करना, और सर मुझे तो याद है, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर माय सर टोल्ड, माय फिजिक्स सर टोल्ड 340, यू आर राइटिंग रॉन्ग 343। नो 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 नो, इट इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टेंपरेचर रे बाबा। यस 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 यस, इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? बेटा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लो, आपको मेरी क्लास का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा। नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुन लो बेटा, बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनना। एक और चीज बताता हूं, अब एक और चीज पूछता हूं, देखते हैं कितने लोग बता पाते हैं। बेटा ध्यान से सुनना। नाउ आई विल बी आस्किंग एंड दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड इन गेट एग्जाम। अभी जो जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हर चीज बता रहा हूं बेटा, ध्यान से देखना। लेट अस सपोज आई एम हैविंग 3 गैसेस, हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम एंड एयर, at same temperature T, at same temperature T, any intelligent student of the class, any intelligent student of the class can tell me at the same temperature T, if I want to find speed of sound, if I want to find the speed of sound through these gases, speed of sound, you need to tell me only one thing, or chalo 2 things you tell me, through which gas speed of sound will be maximum and through which gas speed of sound will be minimum. Very simple question beta, very simple question. If I am having 3 gases, hydrogen, helium and air, and of course I can calculate the speed of sound. Let us suppose I want to keep in temperature T. कोई temperature specific नहीं दे रहा हूँ. Let us suppose I am having some given temperature T. So through which gas I will be having the maximum speed of sound, through which gas I will be having the minimum speed of sound. निकाल लो. आपको क्या चाहिए? गामा चाहिए. आपको गामा चाहिए होगा, आपको आर चाहिए होगा. चलो हाइड्रोजन के लिए देखते हैं बेटा. Let us calculate for hydrogen. बेटा for hydrogen diatomic gas, so gamma will be 1.4. दो एटम है ना, gamma will be 1.4. What will be R? R will be characteristic gas constant will be R bar. What is this R bar beta? Anyone in the class? Universal gas constant. So R bar value will be how much? 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin, right? Right? R bar divided by molar mass. Anyone in the class beta, what will be the molar mass of hydrogen? Bolo re baba, bolo re baba, bolo re baba. What will be the molar mass of hydrogen? 2. Chalo, now let me see for helium. Helium is monoatomic gas. एक ही atom है ना रे बाबा, monoatomic gas. So gamma will be 1.67. And here R will be how much beta? R bar divided by helium 4. Air is assumed to be diatomic gas. Gamma is 1.4. R will be how much? R bar by 29. मैं R bar मैं अपना दिमाग लगाऊंगा ना. He is asking maximum minimum. So why to find the values of absolute values of R? I will not find the absolute values of R. देखो बेटा, the speed of sound in hydrogen will be, please observe carefully, gamma 1.4 into R by 2, temperature is T. Speed of sound in helium, देखना बेटा ध्यान से, बहुत ही मजेदार चीज बता रहा हूं, बहुत ही मजेदार चीज बता रहा हूं बेटा, बहुत ही नई चीज, मजेदार चीज बता रहा हूं आपको. एग्जाम में आ सकता है इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन. सबको बता दो, कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो की क्लासेस चल रही है, कहीं नहीं मिलेंगी आपको कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो की क्लासेस. फटाफट से बोल दीजिए जिसको करना है. नया टॉपिक है बेटा, कंप्रेसिबल फ्लो खत्म कर लो यहीं पर ही मेरे साथ. डोंट वेट फॉर फ्यूचर. R bar by 4 into T. Speed of sound in air is how much? (1.4) R bar by 29 into T. बोलो through which fluid at a temperature T sound will be having the maximum speed. कहां पे आपको मैक्सिमम दिखाई दे रहा है? 100%. ये तो कोई अंधा भी बता देगा. Even the blind person can say here I am having the maximum value of speed of sound and here I will be having the minimum. In case of air I will be having the minimum speed of sound. बेटा दोनों चीजें देखनी है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. सिर्फ मोलर मास को देखकर मत बोलना. यू हैव टू सी द गामा आल्सो. दैट्स व्हाई लिटिल बिट सॉल्यूशन यू हैव टू डू. बोलो रे बाबा. यस सिमाद्री, आई एम प्रॉमिसिंग यू बेटा, सारे वैरायटी के क्वेश्चंस करवा दूंगा, हर वैरायटी के क्वेश्चंस करवा दूंगा, कुछ बचेगा ही नहीं. और आप एग्जाम के बाद मुझे बोलना अगर यहां से क्वेश्चन आया तो सर देखो आपके नोट से आ गया. मैं पूरा डिटेल में पढ़ाने वाला हूं बेटा. Trust me, I will be teaching you the compressible flow in entire detail so that if any question is coming, it must be from your notes only. ताकि आपके नोट से हो. मैं सब कुछ करवा दूंगा. I will not leave anything. I am telling you, Fano line, Rayleigh line, everything I am going to cover. I am going to cover each and everything, beta. Now you tell me, are you clear till here?